Take a ride in the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.